Good morning, 7th standard students. Today we are going to learn general science. In general science, unit 18, sound, production of sound. Question number 4. Give scientific reason. In earlier times, people used to listen for the arrival of a distant train by putting their ear to the rail. Answer. While the train runs on the rail, its wheels bang on the rail and friction occurs. These banging and friction produce vibration and sound is produced. These vibrations travels over large distance through rails. If ear is put to the rail, sound can be clearly heard and the arrival of train can be guessed. Question number 2. The sounds generated by a tabla and sitar are different. Answer. In the tabla, stretched diaphragm is struck, sound is produced. In the sitar, stretched string when plucked produce vibration. In the tabla and sitar, sound producing object are different, that is diaphragm and string. Question number 3. Your friend will not be able to hear your call if you were both on the moon. Answer. There is no atmosphere on the moon as that of the earth, and thus due to absence of medium, sound does not propagate while talking on the moon. Question number 4. We can hear the movements of a mosquito's wing, but we cannot hear the movements of hands. Answer. In 1 second, mosquito's wings move about 300 to 600 times. Thus, audible sound is produced and movement of wings can be heard. We cannot move our hands so rapidly. The frequency of sound produced by movement of hand is less than 20 Hz. Question number 5. Write any 4 uses of ultrasonic sound. Answer. First use is to clean tiny parts of a watch and to clean delicate ornaments. Second use to observe internal organs of the body. Third use to detect tumors in the brain. Fourth use in the radar systems. Question number 6. A vibrating object completes 450 oscillations in 15 seconds. What is the frequency of vibration of that object? Answer. Frequency is equal to number of oscillations divided by time for oscillations. That is equal to 450 upon 15. That is equal to 30 Hertz. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.